vegetable friends. Broccoli looks like a green little tree.
Hello!
Carrots are orange and grow in the ground. Corn is yellow and grows on the cob. Peas hide inside tiny green pods. Spinach makes me feel strong like a superhero. Tomatoes are juicy and often used like vegetables. Eggplants have purple skin and are soft inside. Potatoes grow under the soil.
我的蔬菜朋友。青花菜看起来像一棵绿色的小树。
Hello!
红萝卜是橙色的，长在泥土里。玉米是黄色的，长在玉米棒上。豌豆藏在小小的绿色豆莢里。菠菜让我像超级英雄一样强壮。番茄多汁，常被当作蔬菜使用。茄子有紫色的皮，软软的。马铃薯长在土里。
Thanks for watching! Come back for more!